Prepare to be amazed, car enthusiasts. The 2025 Dacia Sandero is poised to revolutionize the automotive industry. This exceptional vehicle is a masterful fusion of innovative technology, stunning design, and exceptional performance. Let's explore the unique features that make this car truly remarkable. The 2025 Dacia Sandero boasts a dazzling orange exterior, seamlessly blending traditional Dacia elements with futuristic flair. The front fascia features a wide chrome-accented grille and high-intensity LED headlights, while aerodynamic lines and air intakes on the front bumper emphasize its sporty and efficient stance. Sleek alloy wheels complete its impressive road presence. Inside, the Sandero offers a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin. Premium leather seats with matching orange accents create an elegant ambience, while the sleek dashboard features cutting-edge digital displays for intuitive control. The infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Sandero packs a powerful and efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, combined with an advanced hybrid system, delivering an impressive 300 horsepower. The front-wheel drive system and advanced suspension ensure exceptional handling and stability, while the semi-autonomous driving mode, equipped with modern sensors and AI, enhances overall safety. With its innovative AI-driven infotainment system, digital heads-up display, and premium sound system, the 2025 Sandero offers a truly exceptional driving experience. Priced from $30,000, this model is an attractive choice for those seeking a high-quality car without breaking the bank. Pre-orders open in July 2024, with the official release in late 2024. Stay tuned for updates on this groundbreaking vehicle, set to redefine the automotive world.